In this video, I'm going to be talking about a company that allows us to invest in the US stock market with $0 trades, and also giving you the chance to get a stock valued at over $100 just for creating and funding your account. G'day guys, I'm Braden, and today I'm going to be taking a look into Stake. Stake is an online stockbroker in Australia that allows you to trade your favourite American stocks right here from Australia, with no commission. What we're going to be going over today is the sign-up process, a few of the features of Stake, and the fees and how Stake actually makes its money. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Over 97% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if you want to support me for creating this free content, be sure to join the channel by subscribing. If you want to get a free stock by creating your account, it's really simple. To get a free stock, all you need to do is sign up with the link below and fund your account with the minimum deposit of $50 before 24 hours. You'll get a free stock of either GoPro, Dropbox or Nike. The value will change, but it's around $6 for GoPro, $30 for Dropbox or $140 for Nike. That's Australian dollars. And this is just an idea of how much you'll get for signing up, but it's a pretty good bonus nonetheless. So there's lots of stockbrokers out there, but the reason I choose to use Stake, and it's the reason that it makes it a little bit different is for a few things. Obviously, it's investing in the US market, which from Australia is really quite hard, so it makes that really easy and simplified. And it also offers fractional share investing. Before we talk about why I like Stake so much for trading US stocks, it's important to remind you to do your own research and be well informed before putting your hard-earned dollars into anything. This video is not financial advice, and as always, you should check everything out for yourselves, as the facts in this video might have changed since putting it together. Signing up was amazingly easy, with the sign up page being well thought out and designed, meaning it didn't take long to get to the dashboard. The sign up for brokers, particularly international, can be super long and tedious, but Stake has simplified it to do a lot of the work on their end, automating as much as possible, which creates a brilliant user experience. And that is overarching theme for this review, is that Stake has been really well thought out. All the design and implementations has done the hard work behind the scenes to make the platform that allows Australians easy access to the US market. Who will be using this app? People using Comtrade but want to access the US market, or people wanting to day trade US markets? There's 3 different levels of plans aimed at different target demographics. Are we talking in this section about the changes that are coming in July of 2020, so just a few days away? If you're going to be using this to buy shares in the US companies and don't plan to sell them in the next 2 or 3 days it takes to settle, using the free plan is what you want to do. If you plan to use advanced features such as limit and stop orders, there's a $9 a month fee. For day trading on unsettled funds, there's a $19 a month fee. On their website, they have also what is coming, such as GTC orders and analyst level data, which might be available by the time you're watching this video. The way Stake makes its money is super transparent. The way it works is there's no brokerage fees. This means that every time you buy and sell, it's completely free. But Stake obviously has to make money, so we'll go through what they do to actually make money. I'll link the pricing document down below so you can see how they actually make their money, but I'll give you a quick rundown as well. Some of the important ones you'll most likely encounter are the US tax form fee, which is $5. All these fees are in United States dollars, by the way, so expect a little bit more if you are converting to Australian dollars. So the US tax form fee is $5, and it's a flat fee for the automated completion of the W8BEN, W8BEN-E and the W9 form, which are all needed to trade in the US market. A credit card fee of 2% with a minimum of $1 if you're funding via a debit or credit card, and you can get an express fee of 0.5% on your money, which will allow you to clear your funds in the next US trading day. If you have USD, you can transfer that into Stake for a flat fee of $5. The app is well thought out and looks great on both desktop and mobile apps. Some of the features include fractional shares. This allows you to buy a fraction of a share. If you have $1,000 to invest in a share that's $300, traditionally you could only buy 3 shares and you'd be left with $100 uninvested. If you want to buy shares in a company like Tesla, traditionally you have to spend $750 to make a share purchase. With the fractional shares, you can be an owner of Tesla with just $50 if you wish. Normally it's super hard due to tax regulations and all the regulations on brokerages that make it quite difficult to invest in the US market from Australia, or internationally for that. The US market is over 50% of the global stock market, so it's a large portion of the market that was not easily accessible until stake come along. Compared to trading platforms such as ComSec, where costs start from $10, this makes stake really cheap to start investing, and it doesn't take months or years to earn back enough from either capital gains or dividends to counteract the trade fees that most brokerages charge. My thought on stake is that it's one of the best options for Aussies to access the US market. They're innovating in the space, giving Australians access to a simple and easy way, while also being super competitive on pricing. It's a no-brainer if you want to trade US stocks from Australia, and the simple-to-use interface, ease of setting up and creating an account will mean you can get into the market in less time. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to use the link below or enter the code when signing up to get a free stock that could be worth over $100. If you found this video helpful, be sure to let the YouTube algorithm know by liking. And if you've liked this content, you can always subscribe to the channel for more videos. Have a good one.